Salama Pargi, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Whatever greeting you choose, welcome to Kampong London, the show where we teach you how to make food all across the world, mostly Southeast Asia, but again, all across the world, all over the world. Today we're going to be doing a very special dish that is very patriotic. It is named falafel, and we ain't doing any falafel, we're doing Palestinian falafel. So stay tuned, get ready, get yourself ready, because we're about to cook some real good stuff. Without further ado, let's get to work.
First, start with a bag of chickpeas. Pour them into a bowl and wash. Cover them with water and let them soak overnight. The next day, drain the water and put them to the side. For the falafel mix, you'll need 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 chopped onion, and 1 bunch of chopped parsley. For seasoning, you'll need some cumin, seasoned pepper, salt, chili flakes, and bicarbonate of soda. Alternatively, you could use the ready-made Falafel Spices, as well as paprika, but it all depends on your taste. Take the chickpeas and put them into a blender with your garlic and onions. You want to blend them as finely as possible, till they have a crumbly consistency. As there are a lot of chickpeas, we are doing 2 batches. In the second batch, you'll want to add your parsley. After blended, mix both batches together. Next, add your seasonings and mix. Cover them with cling film and leave them to rest for 30 minutes to an hour. After rested, fill a pan with oil and allow it to get very hot. Finally, grab a tablespoon and your falafel scoop. Take a tablespoon of the falafel mixture and scrape it onto the scoop until it forms a nice falafel patty. Drop the falafel at the sides of the pan to avoid any splashes. Let it fry for about 5 minutes or until it gets golden. After fried, let them dry on the side. Next, we'll prepare the vegetables to eat with the falafel. This can really be anything, but the main staples of a good falafel dish include tomatoes, lettuce, pickles, as well as aubergine, which we fried in the same oil as the falafel. To bring the whole dish together, you'll need some tahini sauce. Take some tahini sauce, also known as sesame sauce, and add some salt, a dollop of yogurt, and half a lemon's worth of juice. Mix it all together. As you can see, the sauce is a bit thick, so add a bit of water to smooth it out. It should have a nice creamy consistency. You can serve the falafel with or without bread as seen here. However, my preferred way is in a wrap, which is demonstrated here, using Arabic flatbread. I found the best way to make a wrap is by halving the bread as seen here, but be very careful not to rip it. Add whatever you like to your wrap, and if you want, toast it. After you're happy with the results, it's time to dig in and enjoy your hard work.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode of Kampong London, especially falafel, patriotic Palestinian dish, which I know y'all will enjoy. Just something to note, if the falafel turns out to be green on the inside, because usually it's meant to be a bit darker, that's because of the parsley that we put in. If you put too much in, that's alright, it's cool, still nice, still edible, it's really good. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Cook for your family, tell them you love them, and until then, I'll see you later. Assalamu alaikum.